আপনারা দেখছেন পূর্বাঞ্চল টাইম। সঙ্গে থাকুন, সঙ্গে রাখুন।
দুদিন পর প্রথম দফার ভোট শুরু হচ্ছে। কোনো রকম পক্ষপাতিত্ব ছাড়া নির্ভয়ে সকলে ভোট দিন। প্রত্যেকের কাছে আমার আবেদন, প্রত্যেকে নিজেদের গণতান্ত্রিক অধিকার প্রয়োগ করুন। আমি আপনাদের সুনিশ্চিত করছি ভোট দেওয়ার জন্য সব রকম সুব্যবস্থা থাকবে। প্রথম ভোটারদের জন্য যেটা আমি বলতে চাই যে ছেলে বা মেয়ে যেই হোক না কেন, এটা তোমাদের কাছে সবচেয়ে বড় সুযোগ ভোট দেওয়ার মাধ্যমে গণতান্ত্রিক প্রক্রিয়ার অংশগ্রহণ করার। ভোট যদি হিংসামুক্ত হয় তবেই স্বাধীনভাবে জনগণ ভোট দিতে পারবে। আমরা সকলকে অনুরোধ করছি আপনারা নির্ভয়ে ভোট দিন।
Please maintain total silence. I am extremely happy to be associated with the first convocation of GIS University. It's a remarkable achievement. It's a major milestone. I pay my tribute to the vision of Sardar Jodh Singh Ji. What he visualized has got into a huge conglomerate of education, not only in Eastern India, but in the entire India. The Vice Chancellor is a man of enormous talent, and it has a great faculty, and I have no doubt in times to come, it will be in big league. On education, if you wish to ask any questions, I'll reply. Keep others away. One by one, you are asking.
Are the vice chancellors of our states working in stress, you say during your lecture?
What I said was, and I mean it, all over the world, in India and in every state, we must keep our universities and education free from any stress. That's a universal principle, and that will generate growth of universities organically, and that must happen. I will take this occasion also to appeal through members of the media that 2 days thereafter, the first phase starts. I appeal to every person to exercise his or her right of vote without fear, without favor. I assure every person that system will always help them. They will have full freedom. I have a particular word for the first time voters. Boys and girls who are getting opportunity to participate in the democratic process for the first time. It's a great occasion for them to involve themselves through their right to vote. It is their vote that will define what kind of governance will be there. Voter is the only and most significant stakeholder in democratic process. On 23rd January, on 23rd March, we had the occasion to look to the supreme sacrifice, Shaheed Divas. They sacrificed for whom? For freedom. Freedom resulted into democracy. Democracy can blossom only when elections are fair, free from violence, they are full of purity. I appeal to everyone, let us have image over, let us have change over, let us set an example that our election process will be free from violence, every voter will have a right, and everyone will fearlessly vote. And that's what I'm saying. I will not take any questions on this.
Will elections be